He thought he was walking into court for a routine felony plea, but the judge's questions about his criminal history, drug use, and the ID found in his pocket quickly changed everything. Then the judge gave him two choices that could determine his future. What happened next? Stay tuned.
Are you Brian Keith Ruiz? How old are you?
53.
All right, that's about right. I think you're probably named after the actor.
Brian
Right.
Keith.
That's right, isn't it?
Well, a lot of people ask me that. But
All right, counsel, have you received all discovery?
we have you.
Did you review it with your client?
I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Ruiz, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading?
Yes, sir.
State proceeding as presented?
I believe we are.
Yes. Mr. Ruiz? Yes, you are.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Miss.
That's okay. Mr. Ruiz, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? You're charged with unlawful carrying a weapon with a felony conviction as a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, I do not have to follow your plea. If I don't and give you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state will call in the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, sir.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Ruiz, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you into the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 5 years in prison. There's a $1,400 fine. State opposes your application. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes.
State defense is at the plea?
It is, Judge. It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, any such motions?
No, Your
Outside the agreement, the state is asking that the weapon be destroyed. Did you understand that's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Judge Robert State Exhibit number 1, including all evidence. There are no objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses? The state will call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. What's his criminal history other than, and when I say criminal history, I mean felony criminal history. What's your criminal history? Your felony criminal history?
I had assault family violence back in 2003, and then criminal mischief.
Well, the assault family violence, that's a misdemeanor. I'm talking about your felony.
He had a felony assault out of Travis County, Judge. It's
Travis
attached
County?
there. He did 2 years TDC. He did 1 year on a criminal mischief out of Bear County.
Okay.
And then I believe has a 1244 out of Bear County also.
All right. So give me your criminal history. So you have the assault. All right. And that's in Travis. And then you have the criminal mischief.
In Bear County.
And then
That's 1244 in there.
Okay, and anything else?
Yeah, oh, yeah, that was a 1244, wasn't it?
From a,
Yes.
the defendant has 20 total arrests. As a
Now, I
result-
just need the convictions because,
fraudulent use of possessing identified information, the possession of controlled substance, PG1 less than 1 gram, but the other 8 or 9 convictions are all misdemeanors.
okay. So the felonies he has is fraudulent use,
PG1 less than 1 gram.
and then he has the assault from Travis.
That's right.
Any other? That's it. Those are his convictions.
Those are his felony and convictions.
All right. Why do you have, and maybe you want to talk to your attorney before you answer this question, why did you have this other person's identifying information in your bag?
I found it on the ground. It was in my pocket. It was on the ground. I picked it up. I didn't throw it and thinking about it. I just picked it up, stuck it in my pocket.
He was riding his bike around the rim area, Judge. He'd gone to Lowe's. He purchased some spray paint to paint some of the
My
metal.
truck.
His truck.
Yeah.
He lives over behind Hills and Dales there off of 1604 by the rim.
All right, State, do you have any information on whether or not this identification was used?
Not to my knowledge, Judge, not from the report.
Well, I mean, is there any case that's come in recently?
It was an actual ID card, Judge. It wasn't a credit card.
Yeah, I know. I mean, used for anything.
And it was a girl. So
Well, you shouldn't have it anyway.
I know. But,
So what have you been doing with your life?
working as a mechanic right now
Where?
for Ron Auto and AC.
Mm-hmm.
Ron Auto and AC. It's over by Hills and Dales, by where I live.
All right. Do you live by yourself?
Yes. Well, I have a roommate now.
Okay.
And Judge, there's no information regarding whether a case has been filed regarding that possession of identity.
All right. And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Probably marijuana.
And what else?
Uh,
Here's the thing. Let me just tell you. You need to just be 100% honest with me. Honesty is the best policy in this court with me.
Marijuana, probably meth.
All right. How often are you using meth?
A couple times a week, maybe.
Okay. When's the last time you used?
Probably day before yesterday.
Okay. All right. Do you want to go forward with sentencing?
We would ask the court to consider his application, yes, Judge.
All right. So here's the thing. I'm going to give you a choice. These are your choices. There are no other choices. One, I can deny your motion. I'll sentence you to 2 years in prison because I see here the police are now stopping everybody who's riding a bicycle, right? And I'm telling you right now, you need to read the handbook on riding a bicycle. So I can do that, or I'll grant your application, but you're going to go into custody today to be evaluated for felony drug court and to have your TAP evaluation in custody. Those are your choices. And I will place you on community supervision. What I can tell you, it's Thursday. Felony drug court will probably be able to see you next week. And so you'll probably be released if they accept you sometime next week. But you need to be honest with them. So you can have prison for 2 years, or I grant your application and you go to jail for evaluation for felony drug court and your TAP evaluation.
Either way, I'm going to jail today.
Mm-hmm.
Did I try to do the probation?
Yeah, that's why I'm asking. Yes, I'm going to try probation with you. Okay. And I know it seems harsh, but I'm doing this really to protect you, because if you continue to use meth, it's not going to go well for you. Okay. So this is what the court will do. The court will grant your application. Court will find you guilty, sentence you to 4 years in prison, suspended and probated for 4 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, in custody, a referral to felony drug court and a TAP evaluation. If not accepted, in felony drug court, then follow TAP recommendations. If TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with outpatient treatment. Field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. There's a $400 fine that will be probated. 200 hours of community service restitution. This is what I'm gonna order, and this is to help you out, all right? You need to read the bicycle handbook, because otherwise you're gonna end up getting pulled over again. So I don't know how we prove he's done that, Vashon, but once he's read the rules of the road for riding a bicycle, deduct 100 hours from his community supervision. And then the remaining 100 hours will be deducted at 1 hour for every sober support meeting that is completed. And I'm going to order weekly sober support meetings. And there's to be a destruction of the weapon. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
That's yes or no. Okay. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Do you have any gang affiliation? All right. All right. Good luck to you, okay?
May I excuse her?
Yes.
A 4-year sentence was suspended, but the judge made it clear that this was his chance to turn his life around. From felony drug court to weekly sober support meetings, the road ahead came with serious conditions. Do you think the judge made the right decision? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more real courtroom moments, surprising sentences, and cases you won't want to miss.